PLUG stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. It's taken me 5 years and 40,000 videos on my YouTube channel documented to see what's making me money and what's not. And at least I'm here to tell you that, you know, my proof is on my YouTube channel and how many videos I've done. But ultimately, it's still in a bearish range, although it's like went up 15%. You know, Plug Power, for me, it's been just very interesting stock because it truly began here in July, like last year, almost like a year since. But that's when I began selling, and I do obviously have the proof to demonstrate with video links. That's why I keep it on the chart, you know, just as you can check it out too. Then I go two trades, one win, one break even, one sell. Again, 2 trades here on the sell side. Never took this trade because rules never got met, and honestly because it's still in a demand supply zone. Only if there's some sort of a double break I'm gonna sell, and you know, it's only not gonna be bearish if I see proper breaks above 94 cents. So I'm gonna keep you updated. I'm not assuming, I'll just kind of react whatever the price is gonna throw at me. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading consistently, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.